How to fix a network cable is not properly plugged in error in Windows. So there might be various reasons why you might be facing this problem. And the first solution is to restart your modem and your network router properly, and make sure that your Ethernet cable is connected in router or modem and your laptop and your Ethernet connection is working fine. And the third option is to go to Windows and type command prompt and run as administrator, and here type netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. And after that type netsh space int space ip space reset and hit enter. And after that type ipconfig space // DNS and hit enter. And after executing this command prompt, do not forget to restart your computer. Now, even after doing all these methods, if your network is still struggling and you're still facing the issue, go to Device Manager, go to Network Adapters, and from here, update both of your drivers manually. From here, select your Wi-Fi driver and manually install your network adapter. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe, don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.